Hi everybody, it's Katina. I just want to explain a little bit more about the membership and exactly what you get, whether you come on to the monthly membership or the annual membership. So there are two memberships. One is the monthly, one is the annual. The way the monthly works is that you pay $40 a month just as long as you are a member, okay? The annual membership is $325 for the whole year, so that's less than $1 a day. And with the annual membership, you get the most support. So to me, the reason why somebody would want to join either of those memberships is because of the actual consultative support, okay? So to me, as a parent, as a clinician, one of the most important things that you can get is the ability to ask questions when you need to ask questions. So with either of the memberships, the wonderful thing is that you get a digital consult. Okay, you actually get a consult each month. So at the $40 level or the $325 level, you're able to ask a question. And sometimes you just need to ask a question. Now, I know as a parent how hard it is when you want to connect to a specialist, when you want to connect to a doctor, because you just have like a simple question and you want to ask an expert, okay? And you don't want to just rely on Google because you have like no idea who's on the other end of the, computer. So with this consultation, you are able to sort of really think about what you need to know, get information when you need it. Okay, that is really the most exciting thing to me about either of those packages. Okay, now just keep in mind that in occupational therapy consultation, if you were to come into a clinic, book an appointment, can run you up to $225 an hour. Okay, an hour. So for $40, if you're on your monthly membership, you get that question, okay, plus a whole bunch of other neat things, as well as if you're in that annual for that $325, you're going to get that digital consult, okay? Now, the memberships, besides having digital consultation, also have a course a month, okay? So you get a highly detailed course that comes in the form of a narrated PowerPoint, an actual digital guide that's packed with information, strategies, research, and a little workbook, okay? All three things in either the monthly membership or the annual membership, okay? So you get your digital consultation, you get your course a month. And these are like all the hot topics from sleep to picky eating to how to handle the holidays to trying to figure out how to manage haircuts, okay? So they're really big topics for kids with sensory issues, okay? So they're outstanding. So you get your course, and then in either of those memberships, you also get access to our private video library, where I have housed over 200 3 to 5 minute video quick tips on the biggest topics. So you get the video library. If you have a quick question and you just want to hop in and see if it's already been answered on video, you can take a look, okay? And then you can save your other question when you do your digital consult. So you've got a ton of resources. It's a lot of consultation. The difference with the annual is simply this. You save $115. So it's a cost saver. It's less than $1 a day. You also get, which is like super cool, a phone consultation, a live 60-minute consultation. So that's the really big component of the annual. Not only do you get everything you get in the monthly, but you also get that 60-minute consultation. And again, $225 an hour, just an hour, okay? So think about how that stacks up when you're looking at this membership cost and doing some comparison. So that's the difference in the memberships. If you have any questions, just email info@sensoryb.com and we will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.